welcome back to Be Beautethical. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And today I have a special guest here with me, my best friend Sneha, and she's been so kind. She's agreed to do a 10-minute makeup challenge here with me, so it's going to be a completely fun video. Sneha, say hello to all my viewers. And we are going to do a 10-minute makeup challenge today, and we have all the products right in front of us. We have, please tell them what all we have already done on our face.
We've just moisturized our face and we've done the lip balm, and now here we go. We're gonna have a timer on and we begin.
And we've also primed our face. So now we are just going to start the timer. We have all the products here right in front of us, and it's going to be a totally fun video because we have not done this before ever.
Yeah.
We have never ever done makeup while being together. We've always done makeup on other people because
on each other.
And on each other,
Yeah.
because we are makeup artists and hairstylists, so we do it on other people generally. But we have never ever, sat together like this and done makeup on ourselves, and that too a timed one. So this is definitely going to be so much fun. I'm so looking forward to it. So let's get started. So let's go brightness. Sneha, don't be sleepy. We'll be done in some time. It's almost 10 o'clock in the night, and I am keeping her awake to do this video. So I'm going to start the timer now. I hope you guys can see. I have put a 10-minute timer, and we are going to talk about what products we are using while we are using it. I think we are going to do it in a completely different way, what she's going to do and what I am going to do. Most of the products are different, so let's start. I am clicking on the start button. Start it! Okay. So, are you going to use a foundation?
No.
I am using this concealer from Freedom. Actually, let's not tell them what products. Let's just keep saying. Let's just keep saying that I'm using a concealer and start using it so that
I'm grooming my brows, guys. Very
starting
important.
with your brows already.
Yes, it's very important.
Sneha, 30 seconds are already gone.
Oh god. Finding the brushes is a task.
I know, right? I'm not going to use a corrector today. I don't think I have the time. So I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer under the eyes. I don't want to look sleepy. You're starting with your brows, is it?
Yeah, I really like them well defined.
I am going to give least amount of time to the brows, I think.
You already have wonderful ones.
What are you talking about?
The brows.
I know, but I don't have wonderful brows. I have gaps in between. I need to fill them in. Oh god, 1.5 minutes. Gone. Talk, Sneha, talk.
Completing the
You
challenge.
have to talk. That is
I'm
a part of the
concealing.
challenge.
I'm concealing and correcting my under eyes, guys.
Yeah, please tell my viewers what you're doing.
It's
And
going
me
to
also.
be very important.
And me also, because I can't see what you're doing. I'm too busy seeing what I'm doing. That's not the timer.
You can really let go of the foundation but not the concealing.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely kind of agree with you on that. And now I think I'm going to directly move to powder. And sorry guys, today I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to use. It's just too important to stick to the time. I think we both have certain products in front of us which we will not end up using.
I'm sure.
Brushes also, I'm just picking up whatever is coming into my hand. Sneha, less than 7 minutes.
Oh god. This is stressful.
This is very stressful. Tell me about it. I've done it once, but that was quite a long time ago. And are you going to use any eyeshadows today?
If time permits.
My hair is also not helping me today. complete my makeup look. I don't want to look incomplete. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm blushing my cheeks.
Ooh, you already reached. You powdered your face already?
Yes.
When? Why am I still on powdering? Why am I still on powdering? Okay.
Buck up, girl.
I swear, I have to. Now I am concerned. Oh, this pencil is not sharpened properly. I should have done that before starting the video. Less than 5 minutes.
4 minutes.
Less than 5. Not yet 4. Still have 50 seconds more to go. Okay. I poked myself in the eye with the pencil. How many minutes?
4.5.
You've reached lipstick already? What am I doing? I think the first time I did this challenge, I was in a better position than I am today. I'm more stressed when you're sitting next to me.
So are you?
No.
Wow. Loving your lashes.
Thank you. That's the only thing that I think is going to look good in this entire thing.
And we have 3.5 minutes.
How is this lipstick?
Lovely. I like metallic.
Oh, you do?
I do.
It has specks of glitter also in this.
Glitter and Archana.
Always together. Always together. But yeah, this is the first time I'm applying this lipstick and I don't know. Maybe. Okay. And for... I don't know why I'm using contour brush for blush. But that's what I can find now. You are way ahead of me. You need to talk.
Don't do this with me.
I was always under pressure with you in our batch when we were learning makeup because she was so good with her timing and I was so bad with my timing. Always. Always.
I think we are on the same line, aren't we?
Now maybe a little bit, but right now on this challenge, yes.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
This is what matters, right? Where we are today.
yeah, ultimately I think that is what does, but I always get complex when I'm sitting next to you, especially on timing, because I'm never ever on time. I reach on time, she never reaches on time. Whenever we are supposed to meet outside, she's never on time.
Very rarely.
Only once you were on time and I was not on time on that day, but apart from that, I think I'm done. How do you say? Since I have a little bit more time, I think I have just about 50 seconds. Contour you want?
No.
I don't know why I have 2 minutes.
30 seconds to go.
Almost done. I'm actually adding this because I have time.
I'm done too.
Wow. I knew you would be done. That's what, 13 seconds.
Okay. 8, 7.
See, you're always sitting and I'm
6,
always...
5, 4, 3.
Really?
Done!
We are actually done. I was just adding a little bit of, things here and there and I stopped. So one of my eyes will shine a little bit and one of it will not. So let's... Ooh, wow!
Nice!
I love your look.
I love yours too. I love your doll eyes.
Thank you. I love your doll cheeks.
I hope it's not too much.
Use the bigger mirror and see how I'm looking right now. Not bad, huh? This can be the everyday makeup look.
Definitely.
Ooh, lovely. Let me just...
Not too much, not too less.
Not too much, not too less. So guys, second time, I have to tell you that it is possible to get ready in 10 minutes on a daily basis and go to office, go to college. I mean, go to the grocery store if you have to. But 10 minutes is actually enough to get ready. You can time yourself if you want to, just like us. I know if I don't time myself, I'm not going to be on time. I don't know about her.
She's never going to be on time.
If I don't time myself with respect to makeup, with respect to reaching places on time, I sure am going to be on time. And that's her weak point right there. So I enjoyed this video.
I enjoyed it.
And thank you so much for coming and joining me in this 10-minute makeup challenge and making it a very, very, very amazing video. And I will look forward to having you in other videos.
Definitely. I am coming.
Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can you please tell them to do?
Please subscribe the channel. Please do like our video and give the thumbs up. And also leave comments if you have anything to say. Please do subscribe. Be Beautethical.
Thank you. Bye. I will see you again very soon. Do this. Let's do it together. Mwah.
You're looking at the viewfinder कब से? You should look into the camera lens. You're looking at yourself कब से? बात करते हो अभी? बताना चाहिए था मुझे. This I will put as bloopers. You should look into the camera lens.